Welcome back to the dance season. The holidays are over. Strictly's on the telly, so you can now get back to your dancing. So for the ballroom dancing peoples today, I'm going to do a little bit more waltz, and this is a natural turn. Natural turn is quite simple. One of the basics is actually starts facing diagonally to the wall. We do it simple without any footwork first. So we step forward on the right foot, one, side on the left foot, back in diag centre and close. Back in line of dance, left foot back, right foot to the side and close. Do that again. Forward on the right foot. 1, 2, 3. Back on the left foot. 4, 5, 6. And that was without any sway, any CBM or any footwork. So we'll do the footwork next. Right foot forward on the heel. Rise to the toe. Toe and lower. Toe heel back on the left foot. Point to the side on the right foot on the rise is coming in. Close on the toes and lower. Put a little bit of turn in. Don't forget always when you're moving into these turns, don't move on the 2. If you move on the 2, you'll get that big lump that people tend to go. So we take the first movement, turn the body on 1. That's going in on 1, heel, rise, turn, continue onto the toes and lower. Try not to fall. Toe, heel, and again, start the turn there. If you leave that turn too late, you get that lumpy thing again. Going to put the turn in. As you step forward on the right foot on the heel, start to turn right. So you start in the movement, side on the toe, you're going into the rise and toe heel to finish, and then toe heel, start the turn, right foot to the side, up on the toes and lower. So when you actually dance at it, should look something like this. Swinging, swinging. Let that body move. Nice position. Again, don't do it too wide. It doesn't suit at this level. So use the whole of the body there to move in. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. And don't forget, lower nicely. Power into the next step. Once you've got the idea of that, you've got to get these sides stretched as well. So you're turning in there with your CBM. And as you get into the second step, you need to get a little bit of sway there. And again, a little bit of sway as you're coming out. So if you don't get that sway, you won't get that lovely movement into the step. That's in, turn, and lift, and lower. And so just go through that natural turn one more time. Stretch up in the middle, forward on the right foot, swing, rise, and lower into the heel. Let's try that again. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Again, try and get control of those heels as you're coming down. Don't forget, pressure on the closing foot will make your waltz nice and smooth. Make all your dancing nice and smooth. 1 pressure there. Get that pressure on the closing foot and it'll balance you.